In iOS 27, there's now a new change to your liquid glass settings. So before in iOS 26, you'd either get clear or tinted options, just those two. However, in iOS 27, we now have a new slider. So you go to your settings here. Originally, you'd go to somewhere like display and brightness, then you'd see the options. However, here you go to appearance. Then when you're on appearance, you see these options. You might be familiar with most of these. You go to the liquid glass option, click on it. On this slider, if I go to the far left, you see it will become more clear on the example here. You can see the green grass behind. Then if I do this, it will become more tinted, as you can see there. And here you see more tinted when I'm at the far right. If I go to the far left, you see more clear. So this is now the new change to your liquid glass settings, and you'll see it on your iPhone. What do you think about this change? Do you like it? Comment down below.